So I have not shot a video for some time. One is now I'm not keeping that well, and secondly, I'm not able to work on the bikes because of the lack of time. But today I decided to work on the RX100. What I'm planning to work on is this part. If you see, this was buffed at one point in time and now it looks pretty dull. And this side as well. This side is worse than the other side. So I thought I will just do some buffing on the engine, make it shine again. So for this I'm using the 3M one-step polish. This is not the right kind of polish, but any polish would do. Then I have a angle grinder buffing pad, and also I'm going to use that angle grinder. So I'll put you guys on a tripod and then I'll start the work. So I'm going to use some kerosene and some rags to clean all the dirt we have accumulated here first. This is after and this is before. See, before, after. So it just took me about 5 minutes to get from here to here. Now let me do this part so that you can see how well it will come out. I'm also going to do the forks both sides and the engine cover on the other side. Some precautions which I could have taken is I should have removed this sticker and this sticker, because it has kind of ruined it a bit here, but that's okay. Anyways, that's nothing major. So sit tight while I work on this part, and then obviously I have to give it a wash because all the dust and the hair from the pad has gone and stuck in various parts. So yep, I'll give it a wash after this. So yeah, I'm going to put you guys back on the tripod. My fingers are vibrating. I cannot feel them anymore. but the outcome is good. As you can see, it's mirror finish. If we wash it once, it will look nice. This is the front fork. The bike definitely needs a wash, as you can see. And then this looks nice. On the other side, which we have already seen, that is the finish. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned some good thing today. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my work. Thanks a lot.